Hey guys, it's Michaela. So in today's video, I'm gonna be going to Sally's and I'm going to be trying some eyelash extensions today. They're so fun to play with. So I've already attempted this once, but I just wanted to see how it was gonna work before I actually brought my camera out and tried it. The last time that I tried eyelash extensions, let's just say it wasn't a good time. I literally was crying trying to get them off because they were like stuck to my eyes, and they were like the cluster ones with like 4 or 5 lashes connected to one little knot, and then you like glue them on with this lash glue that was like terrible. The adhesive was like clear. It was like the little kit that you get from Sally's, you know, the do-it-yourself little kit, and the removal and the eyelash glue remover was terrible. It was stinging my eyes so terribly, and I had a bad time. Okay, so this time I'm gonna be trying it with these lashes that I got off of Amazon. Why did it take me so long to say that? Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna be trying with these lashes that I got off Amazon today, and I'm gonna be taking a trip to Sally's to get the lash glue because I don't really have any that will make it stick for a long time. Anyway, I'm about to head to Sally's and I'll be right back. I'm really super duper excited. I'm going home for the weekend, so I want them to last me at least 2 days. Just at least 2 days. I know I'm a wild sleeper, so I'm not expecting anything crazy, but at least 2 days. Finally, I got my setup. This has been a struggle. Okay, I'm about to head inside and buy the glue, but first I gotta moisturize because it's so cold in my car. My freaking lotion is frozen. Great. Okay, I need to warm it up with my hands, but like my hands are freezing too. The reason why I was gonna get this lotion is because it's so cold outside and I didn't want my hands to be all dry, but like my lotion is frozen. I'm squeezing as hard as I can. You know what? It's not for me. Okay, I'm just gonna go inside and get this over with. Boy, I just copped this duo lash glue, the dark one for individual lash adhesive. Wait, what? That's what it says. I just read what it said. Individual lash adhesive, not for individual lash adhesive, but it is individual lash. Okay, but I'm gonna head home now and I'm gonna put these lashes on and see how everything goes planned. But I'll give you guys a little history and like backstory, whatever, on my lashes, I guess, if you want to know. My eyelashes are actually pretty like long and thick, I'd like to think, but yeah, so I don't feel like I really like need, can you even see them? I don't feel like I really need lash extensions, just because when I put on mascara it already looks like I have on falsies sometimes, so I don't really need lash extensions, but I just wanted to get them because, you know, your girl wants effortless beauty. So like, I really don't have a problem with my lashes, it's just that I don't want to have to put on mascara in order for you to see them, because like right now you cannot see my lashes because I don't have on mascara, and so they just look really like not there. See you when I get back to the house. Okay, so now it's time for the fun part. So I'm not sure on how when I do this, like this setup and everything. This isn't the best lighting, but it's all I have because I forgot my ring light at home and my hair is falling in the back, which is really annoying. I'm a little scared, just a little bit. Hold on, let me get my chair. Anyways, let me stop playing around because this is about to get serious. I'm just gonna take this brush, even though this is for brows. I'm gonna use it for my eyelashes today, and what you gonna do about it? Nada, honey, nada. Okay, let me stop playing. But I'm just gonna brush my lashes with this thing to make sure they're all like separated and whatnot, because I don't have a spoolie. Well, I have spoolies, it's just they're covered in like Jamaican black castor oil, and I'm not trying to put oil on my lashes before I do this. So let me take out my glue. This looks scary, so yeah, I'm gonna open this. There's like a little dot already there. That's what just like came out like a volcano, you know, when you open the things. I'm going to get this pair of tweezers that I have. It's like ingrown hair tweezers, ones with a really sharp edge. So yeah, I'm just gonna use these for my eyelashes, and I'm kind of scared now. My eyelashes actually look pretty full right now, but like this is what they look like. And I don't know why I'm doing this, but whatever, it's gonna happen. So the eyelashes that I got on Amazon, I'm gonna put everything in the description box below so you guys can get them if you want. But these eyelashes that I found on Amazon are, I'm gonna link them below, but they're called I May, if you can see that. I'm pretty sure you can't, but it comes in 9mm, 10mm, 11mm, 12mm, 13mm, and 14 and 15mm. So there's one row of 9 and one row of 15. 15 is the longest one at the bottom right here, and then 9 is the shortest one, which I'm pretty sure mine are longer than 9. Okay, my eyelashes are definitely longer than the 9mm, so I just wasted one. Great. So yeah, I might be starting off with like 11, just because I want a little bit longer on the edges, on the edges, on the ends of my lashes, like kind of like butterfly effect. And I'm not gonna do one by one. I'm gonna do like 2 at a time, so that it's a little more volume, because I don't really want that much length, I just want more volume. And this glue is like pretty freaking sticky. I just got glue on the end places. Oh wow, that went perfectly. My eyelashes already look really long right here, but I'm adding more. I'm gonna keep going if I can hold this right. Okay. I don't know what I was thinking. This is gonna take forever. I really don't see that much of a difference right now. Like, this is what they look like so far. I put one here and one here, and they're pretty freaking basic. Like, it looks like my natural lashes, but I am going for like a natural look. I don't want them to look too like I actually have extensions. I want people to be like, wow, your lashes are really long, you know, and just be kind of confused on if they're mine or not. Wow, my lips have been crusty this whole freaking video. I'm sorry about that. Listen, it's cold outside right now. Part of the reason on why I'm putting these lashes in my freaking eyes right now is because I'm tired of wearing these. Okay, I'm tired of wearing these strip lashes. They get on my nerves and they're starting to pull my lashes out. So the best solution to strip lashes is getting eyelash extensions, because they're gonna pull out even more of my lashes, and it's just gonna be great. And I'm just gonna fan it because I don't want it to dry and clump together. I want it to dry separate, and then I'm gonna brush them afterwards. And I hope it looks good. So far it's looking kind of cute. Whatever. I really don't see that much of a difference, but maybe you guys can. That's what they're looking like so far. That's the side, and this is the other side. I need some freaking chapstick. This is literally gonna take me a good freaking 2 hours.
A few moments later.
I feel like it's slowly coming together, very, very slowly. Oh my god, I can see it coming together in the freaking camera. Okay guys, so oh my gosh, I think I'm done on one eye. This one has nothing, and this one has extension. I'm really super duper freaking excited because it's coming together. Oh, and it looks so natural. Like, you can't even tell that I have anything on. It just looks like my natural lashes. Like, wow, I'm so impressed. I kind of want to add more towards the end, like a little longer ones, because the ones I put in are kind of already the same length as the ones in the middle, so it just like looks the same length. But I kind of want to go in with 12mm. Okay, in camera it still looks like I don't have any lashes, but it's okay, because in person though, in person, baby, Okay, so I'm freaking done because every time I try to put one in the inner corner, another one comes off. So I'm backtracking at this step, and I like my inner lashes. Like, I don't think I need any more, you know, volume in the inner corner. Like, it's supposed to be like kind of sparse in there and then go like fuller. So my bun's falling over. Stop toppling. But yeah, so in conclusion, ooh, please ignore my desk. I'm just gonna stop here. I'm happy with what I got. It might not look like much on camera, but it's cute to me in person. Like, they look really natural. So this is what they look like with my back camera. I am not fully aware if you can see everything. I would get closer, but my pores are hideous, so this is what you get. This is from the top. Yeah, and I just want to know if this is gonna last me at least 2 days. I will update you guys, so you're gonna get a little bonus footage at the end, like day 1 with lash extensions, day 2 with lash extensions, you know? Yeah. I'm tired of being in your face now. So it's the next day and I'm about to go to the gym. I'm all moisturized and everything. That's why I look like a grease ball, and I have on my gym equipment. So this is what my eyelashes look like after waking up. And yeah, I have 2 classes today, so I'm gonna be going to those after I work out a little bit. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow or tonight if something happens while I'm working out, but they're still holding up really well. So some of them were a little straggly. I just fixed it, but other than that, they still look really cute. So yeah, see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so it's day 3 with the lash extensions, and I put on mascara this morning because I really, this is laying in the background. I really felt like they were like getting really sparse, and my natural lashes are almost the same length, so it's like not that big of a difference. But I'm gonna show you guys with my back camera so it's a little bit better quality. On this side I have like 5, and on this side I have like 3, so they're coming off. But so this is what my lashes look like. This is with my back camera. You can kind of see, like, I don't know if you can see it, but where they're sparse. But yeah, I'm so close. But yeah, so no, it's okay. We're about to go to the mall right now, so I just wanted to give you guys a little update on what my eyelashes are looking like. This is with a full face, not really. It's like a natural type of day. I just have my foundation and like blush and did my eyebrows and throw on some lip gloss. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'll come back and show you day 4, but they're probably gonna be gone by like the end of the week. So yeah, I might just do my outro later on, and then yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, hey guys, it's me. Okay, hey guys, it's me, Kayla. My god, I can't talk English today. My cuticles look really oily because I have my cuticle oil right now, and I just got back from the gym. That's why I'm looking so crusty, so don't mind my face. Don't mind my face, but I'm about to show you my eyelashes. Don't have to get all up close and everything. My lashes, this is what they're looking like, and this is day 5, I'm assuming. I started this whole thing on, I was about to say miércoles, but Wednesday, and today is Saturday. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So it's day 4 of the whole process. Like Wednesday, I'm counting day 1 because I'm putting them on Wednesday, and then Thursday I wore them. So, what am I thinking about? Like Thursday I wore them, Friday I wore them, Saturday is today, and I'm wearing them still, but they're almost gone. Like there's only like a little bit left. So I'm gonna show you guys a close-up really quick of what my eyelashes look like, and then yeah, that's gonna be the end of my video. It's kind of pointless to just keep coming on day by day like afterwards, day by day after getting them, because they're gonna just get more sparse and more sparse, and then eventually they're not gonna even be there. So I'm gonna show you guys what they look like from behind now. Why do they look like that? Okay, so this is what my lashes are looking like on day 4. And yeah, so as you guys can see, they're holding up pretty well. I'm probably gonna do this again because I really like the look that it gave me, and I didn't really have to put on mascara unless I'm like doing a real dramatic face. So yeah, I didn't really have to put on mascara, and they just look naturally like full and really pretty in my opinion in person. On camera they look like very like the same, pretty sparse, like you can't really even tell that I have any on, but in person it looks really natural. And my friend, she had to like get up close and see, and she was like, wow, I can barely tell that you have any. And I was like, thanks, you know, I really tried. It was the first time filming, like doing the full eye. First time I tried this, I just did like a couple on the edges, like maybe added like 2 or 3 little like extra lashes just for like a little extra oomph, but it wasn't anything crazy. And this time I did my whole eye, or I tried to, and it actually looked good. So yeah, I will most definitely be doing this again. And yeah, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out, and I would deeply appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And I'll see you guys in my next video.